All right, everybody. This is box 9, case 2. We just hit this 10-10 pristine 10-10 gold Joe Panic auto. Pretty nice. Pretty nice card. So, all right, Prospect Rush. This is box 9, case 2. All right, box 9, case 2. I'd say it's a pretty good case. We've hit two roughly $500 cards already, plus everything else, and a free box. So that's a $200 hit. I like it. I've been pretty happy with this break. We got a bonus gold of Freddie Freeman, Brett Laurie, that's paper, and a Francisco Lindor paper. But I mean, I guess you're getting the gold, right? And then it's like, yeah, whatever. It's like, here's some shit on top. All right, let's see what we got. Well, we got another auto. 10, 9.510, guys. Kevin Gassman for the Orioles, 9.510. Orioles, 9.510. So, all right, guys, that is box 9.